Good morning everyone, I am Dhanush. Today I will give a presentation on our project which selected for Avishkar competition. I have mentioned the project ID here, and our project title is Design and Development of Modular Reversing System in Scooter for Physically Challenged. As the title indicates, we are developing a modular reversing system that will help the physically challenged people to reverse their scooter with a much easy way. I will be covering 10 contents in this presentation: abstract, objective, methodology, list of hardware, software, result, final project model, social relevance, conclusion, sponsorship, and commercialization. To the abstract, we may have seen a scooter with the two supporting wheels. The physically challenged usually ride a such scooter for transportation, and the main problem is that they cannot pull back their scooter by themselves from places like parking lots. They cannot pull back their scooter, so they need someone that's help for reverse the scooter. So in this project we are developing a modular reversing system that will overcome this problem. We are not changing any scooter components like gear assemblies. We are developing a separate system. The system contains two frame structures, primary frame and a secondary frame. Primary frame will be fixed to the scooter foot floor, and the secondary frame will be connected to the primary frame. And next there will be a swing arm on which the shock absorber and motor mounts will be there. The swing arm one end will be connected to the secondary, and on other end there will be a motor connected. And next suitable shock absorbers and motors are used. The entire system will be portable in the main point is this, that except foot floor mount the entire system can be removed. That I will be explaining in next slides. Coming to the objective, the main objective is to design a modular reversing system that is suitable for the scooter. We are using TVS Jupiter for our project, and we designed every component according to the scooter, that is Jupiter. And next, structural analysis of the designed part for the factor of safety. Next, using suitable motors and damping system, that is shock absorber for the system. And next, fabricating the entire system according to the design. And at last, to check the dynamic stability of the developed system in a real life scenario. We followed these methodologies for completing our project, that is design, analysis, fabrication and testing. At first, in design we have to design the frame structures and swing arms. Next we have to calculate the shock absorber parameters for selecting certain shock absorber. Same with the drive system, we have to select the motors according to the calculation. Next, analysis. We should do the structural analysis of frames and swing arms for the factor of safety. Next, fabrication. At first we have to fabricate the frames and swing arms. Then shock absorber mount, battery mount and motor mount should be done, and all the assemblies. At last, testing. We have to test the entire system in a real life scenario. Coming to the fabrication of frame structure, there will be two types: primary frame structure and a secondary frame structure. In figure 3.1 you can see the primary frame structure with the two clamps, and in figure 3.2 you can see that two points are clamped to the foot floor mount, and there will be two of the primary structure we are using on either side, and these are made up of mild steel material, and this structure will be fixed to the scooter. Secondary frame structure, it is made of three rectangular tubes of mild steel, as you can see in figure 3.3, and there is two mounts, and first one, the upper mount will be used for shock absorber mount, and lower mount is used for the swing arm. In figure 3.4 you can see that the entire secondary frame is connected to the primary frame with the fasteners. Next, swing arm. It's made up of a rectangular tube, and this end, as you can see in figure 3.5, this end will be connected to the secondary frame below mount that as I mentioned in previous slide, there is a mount for shock absorber in the middle, and in the rear the motor is mounted. Will be calculation regarding springs. The main data is total mass of the system, and some others are assumed like sprint index, maximum deflection. To these data we have to calculate certain parameters of spring. We got these values for spring parameters like stiffness of 26.2 Newton millimeter, shear stress of K 1.07, and number of coils should be 8, and free length should be more than 145. The below figure shows shock absorber which we have implemented in our project. The free length is around 165 and coils are 8. This is best suited for our project. Will be selection of drive system. We need high torque gear motor for reversing of scooter. Accordingly, calculations are done. To cover 1.5 times the distance of the scooter, the time required will be 5 seconds. According to that, the force required to pull back the scooter will be 177.9 Newton. It will be shared by two motors. Hence, the torque required for single motor is 3.5 Newton meter, and for two motors it is required 7 Newton meter torque to pull back the scooter. In figure 3.7 you can see a high torque gear motor with 30 rpm and 80 kg centimeter torque. It is around 7.2 Newton meter torque. It is more than enough to pull back the scooter. The drive system, the motor is fixed to the swing arm end, and there is a circular solid piece with the center hole is welded, as you can see in the figure, is welded to the swing arm end, and one shaft is press fitted to that welded part, and to that shaft the motor shaft is fixed, and we have welded one ratchet for get a one direction motion only. Analysis is done in CATIA V5 software for the factor of safety of 1.5, and we applied a force of 3200 Newton to the shock absorber mount, as we can see in figure 3.9. From the analysis, the maximum on measure stress is around 251 MPa, which is less than the yield strength of mild steel, that is 370 MPa. The maximum displacement is 0.506 mm. Next will be analysis of swing arm. In figure 3.11 you can see that 3600 Newton force are applied onto this end of the swing arm, and another end will be fixed. The maximum on measure stress obtained is 339 MPa, and the maximum displacement is around 3.6 mm. Fabrication, at first the frames are fabricated, the primary frame and the secondary frame, and checked with the scooter configurations for any errors. Then we proceeded with the swing arms mount, shock absorber mounts, and the motor mounts. Motor should be rigidly fixed because it have high torque. Next, weldings are, we used arc welding for the every welding part, and that's all with the fabrication. Coming to the motor actuation, We are not using any separate battery for this system. The power to the motors comes from the scooter battery only. Coming to the electrical part, the two motors are connected parallel across the battery. And next, we provided a push button, as you can see in figure 3.13, red push button for actuation of motors. Next, a list of hardware and software parts. Hardware components like rectangular tubes, pipes, ratchet, freewheel ratchet, shock absorber with stiffness of 148 Newton millimeter, and ball bearings and fasteners. And softwares like CATIA V5 for design and analysis of the system, and Altair SimSolid for some analysis for better result. Next, result and discussion. The Ohnmeiser stresses around obtained from stress analysis of the frame is around 251 MPa, that is within the yield strength of the mild steel material 370 MPa. Hence the system is safe. Then suitable shock absorbers are used based on the calculations. And MFC 555 12 volt 30 rpm DC motor with 80 kg centimeter torque is used for the system to reverse the scooter. The overall weight of the system is around 15 kg, that is much lesser than the traditional assistive system. Actually, it is half of that traditional assistive system. They may be 30 kgs like that. Then the developed system is stable in real life scenario. This will be shown in a video. Final project model. In figure 6.2, you can see modular reversing system fitted to scooter. From the figure you can see we are not using much of complicated parts here. A simple design to support the scooter and also to reverse the scooter. Next will be social relevance. The developed modular reversing system will reduce the disabled dependency on any other individual. They need not to call any other person to pull back their scooter. They can do themselves. Working on their own will be positive impact on their life. And third one is very important. The physically challenged people will be, most of them are middle class people. They hardly own one scooter for them, and other family members cannot ride them with the retrofitted scooter. So our system is modular. If any other person want to ride, the entire system can be removed without much struggle. Next, the conclusion and future scope. Conclusion: with the help of high torque motor, reversing scooter will be easier. The overall weight of the entire system than the traditional assistive system. From the analysis, we got to know that whole system is stable. Future scope is that we have to modify the system to be stable in high speed and in rough road conditions, and then we have to modify the system to be retrofitted to any scooter. Now that the system is only fitted to Jupiter, the future scope will be the other scooters. And sponsorship, our team got sponsor from Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology and a student project program 43rd series. Uh, it's a student program, project program. We have to send the proposal for them, and they will review the proposal and then fund. They will provide a financial support for our project. Comments on commercialization. Since our system is very unique than traditional assistive system, it is lightweight, modular, and less cost. And we are not changing or modifying the scooter component. There will be any problem relating to maintenance of the scooter. These are the features will attract the customers. If we got proper sponsorship and support from institution, we can commercialize this system in a good way. Customers do not want any damage to their scooter, so there will be a demand for our developer system. This is our project presentation, and I will be ending this presentation.